So there's a bunch of different ways you could do this. The two that I would recommend would be, the first one is a surefire way to raise this up. Put together a T, kind of like this, with 2x4, 2x6, whatever you want. And what I would do is make it longer, but pick up these joists, and you can see it dips more in the middle. And then just secure this up with a couple screws, put some of the same T's on each end, and then use bottle jacks to raise this whole thing up. But the second thing that I would recommend is what I'm gonna do. I think it's gonna be easier. I don't think there's a bunch of weight on this, so I'm just gonna take 2x4s, cut them long, and on each one, pry them in here. I just wanna do that because this tends to get in the way when you try and resecure the joist hangers. So at least I'll just have a 2x4 on each of these, and it won't be so much in the way. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start on this end and work my way that way. I have a bunch of 2x4 scraps about 2 foot long. I'm just gonna go right under this joist, go down to the ground, and this is what I'm gonna put the 2x4 on to raise it up. Just dig it into the ground a little bit, and then I can take a measurement. And I'm actually gonna have to triple this block up just because of the height of the deck. Now measure here and go up. And this is, it's got to go up about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4. So it's at 94.5 right now. I'll do 95 and that should be fine. 95. 2x4 down here. Try and keep these blocks even. And I'm gonna go at an angle like this. And then I'm just gonna pull it towards me. So that's tight in there now. I'm just gonna take the joist hanger nails out, what's left of them, so this will actually go up. Tricky to get in here. So hopefully this will be loose enough now. This is probably going to have some pressure on it. But we're gonna try and just take a hammer, hammer this, get this up a little bit. Well, that's maxed out for whatever reason, maybe because it's at the end. So we're gonna have to do another one, and maybe even 3 at one time. About 16 inches apart. Take a measurement. Let's go 94.5. And when I do this, it is probably gonna raise the other one up, so I just wanna make sure it doesn't fall, especially on anybody. That is tight.